The Cyber Catalyst program by Marsh is designed to provide organizations with greater clarity and confidence in choosing cybersecurity products in the face of the growing uncertainty. And you may have heard that Darktrace was awarded Marsh's 2020 Cyber Catalyst designation for both Enterprise Immune System as well as Antigena Email. In this video, we are going to talk about the Enterprise Immune System and what it means for cyber risk insurance. If you're new, welcome to the Darktrace YouTube channel. We are the world's leading cyber AI company and the pioneers of autonomous response technology. My name is Mariana Pereira, and I am the Director of Email Security here at Darktrace. Marsh's Cyber Catalyst designation was specifically designated to help organizations and people like you seeking insurance to find the right security technologies. And in turn, it helps insurers provide better policies for their clients. But before we introduce the Marsh Cyber Catalyst and why Darktrace's Enterprise Immune System was actually chosen, let's just think about a couple of the fundamental challenges that are facing cyber risk insurances right now. First, cyber risk is very hard to quantify. The cyber threat landscape is changing, the dynamic workforce is shifting constantly, and this leads to a great deal of unpredictability. Second, the consequences of a cyber attack can actually be very wide-ranging, and the costs can compound upon themselves, actually making it quite difficult to be able to predict the full scope of the financial impact of a cyber attack. That's because these major incidents might not only lead to financial extortion, but also significantly disrupt the operations and damage the organization's reputation and brand identity. Stolen intellectual property can also lead to an incalculable cost and years of research and development where novel innovations are actually stolen by companies or attackers conducting corporate espionage. Organizations that adopt Cyber Catalyst designated solutions might be considered for enhanced terms and conditions on those individually negotiated cyber insurance policies with the participating insurance. The cybersecurity market can be crowded, complex, and difficult to navigate. Global spending on cybersecurity is estimated to have topped $150 billion in 2020 alone. Thousands of cybersecurity firms offer products, services, and solutions designed to mitigate and combat cyber risks. But it can be challenging for individual organizations to evaluate these offerings, given limited corporate resources and expertise. Cyber insurers have responded to the most catastrophic and costly cyber events of the past decade. They also have considerable experience and insights gained from their engagements with a wide variety of cybersecurity vendors and products. This experience means that cyber insurers are well positioned to provide informed views on the potential effectiveness of cybersecurity solutions in reducing cyber risk. And so organizations that choose a Cyber Catalyst are essentially feeding two birds with one stone. Not only are they building a robust security team, but they are also getting better insurance policies. Marsh accordingly brought together 8 leading cyber insurers to take a detailed look at the capabilities of vendors and designated the technologies that best mitigate cyber risk. So when it comes to why these 8 leading insurers chose Darktrace, it is best to let their words speak for themselves. This is a unique product where machine learning and AI plays a core part in protecting, detecting, and responding to threats. A clear, effective application of technology that follows an increasingly popular approach of don't bring humans to a machine fight. Unsupervised machine learning that, as opposed to EDR, has no predefined malicious rules. The detection of behavior is particularly useful as it does not rely on the current flavor of the attacker's preferred malware, but the behavior of the devices it protects. And they said also an excellent platform from a security engineer's perspective, provides a material reduction of risk, is accessible to multiple levels of analysts, and provides a force multiplier to the Security Operations Center. If right now you are considering Darktrace, I'd like to remind you that our platform is cloud native, so it can be delivered via software from the cloud, on-premise, or a hybrid of the two. It is agnostic to diverse data sources and will ingest, analyze, and learn autonomously from real-time traffic and data across the entire business. Once deployed, the Enterprise Immune System immediately begins to learn the normal pattern of life for every user, device, peer group, across all of your ecosystem, delivering meaningful AI visibility and detections just days after installation. Its continuous learning will continue to adapt autonomously as your dynamic workforce evolves. To learn more about how Darktrace's Enterprise Immune System plays a vital role in keeping businesses like yours secure, please visit our website at darktrace.com. For more information on Darktrace and Marsh's Cyber Catalyst program, please also click on the datasheet linked below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe before you head out, and see you next time.